Hello everyone. Today's video is about this relief knit, which is very easy to knit, effective, and decorative. Our attention will be on 7 loops while knitting 2 rows. Let's start on the right side. Row 1 is on the right side. The repeat pattern is purl 2. Knit 2. Make 3 loops from 3. Knit 3 together through the back. Yarn over, and knit the first stitch only through the back again. Again. Purl 2. Knit 2. Knit 3 together through the back. Yarn over, and knit the first stitch again. Keep knitting in this manner till the end of the row. Row 2 is on the wrong side. The repeat pattern is knit 2. Purl 2. Make 3 loops from 3. Purl 3 loops together. Yarn over, and purl the first stitch only again. Again. Knit 2. Purl 2. Purl 3 together. Yarn over, and purl the first stitch again. Keep knitting in this manner till the end of the row. This knit will look good on every woman's garment. The volume it creates makes it ideal for a winter hat or snood. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you find the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to never miss a video. I hope that you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.